ForeFlight has released a new 15.5 update with 8 new features. This includes some helpful updates to the commenting system and the way the logbook handles track logs. Let's take a look. First up is the new Comments tab. Commenting in ForeFlight has got to be one of my favorite features in the entire app. It's wonderful to be able to leave a comment or see other people's comments before flying to a new airport or FBO. In the latest update, you now have the ability to track and manage all your airport and FBO comments in one place. To do this, click on the 3-line menu in the bottom right-hand corner. Then you'll see a new section called Comments. When you click on this, you'll be able to see all your posted comments along with any drafts you currently have. From here, you can edit comments by tapping on them or delete them with a swipe to the left. You can also publish comments by first clicking on the comment, then clicking on Publish located in the upper right-hand corner. As a reminder, the staff at ForeFlight review each comment before they are posted, so there'll be a slight delay before your comment is live on the platform. Next up is the 3D engine out procedures. This is an exclusive feature to the ForeFlight Runway Analysis add-on. In order to use this feature, we will first go to our Flights tab and click on Flight. From there, we will scroll down to Departure and we'll click on Takeoff. Next, we will select a runway and then select our engine out procedure. We can then tap 3D view next to the engine out procedure and we can see it in 3D. Next up is one of my favorite new features of this update, and that's the ability to link multiple track logs to a single logbook entry. For those of you who are pilots, you will be familiar with the typical Part 91 flight scenario. You take off from one airport, fly to another airport to eat or meet a friend, and then fly back to your starting airport. In a traditional paper logbook, this round trip would typically be recorded as a single flight on a single line. Up until this update, ForeFlight required you to log this round trip as 2 separate flights. But with this latest update in ForeFlight, you are now able to link these track logs together for a single logbook entry. To use this feature, navigate to the bottom right-hand corner and tap the More button. Then select Logbook, and from there tap on All under the Entries column. For myself, I will then tap on my flight from Chino Airport to Big Bear. I will then tap on Add/Change Track Logs, and I will also select my flight from Big Bear back to Chino Airport. Click Done in the upper right-hand corner, and now these flights are linked and will show up as a single line in the logbook. The next new feature allows you to select multiple track logs at a time, allowing you to delete them. To demonstrate this, we'll go to the More tab in the bottom right-hand corner. Then we'll click on Track Logs. At the top, we'll click Select, and then we'll select all the track logs that you wish to delete. Or at the bottom, you can click Select All. From here, click Delete, and those track logs will be deleted. Please note, be very careful with this feature as there is no trash can or recently deleted feature currently in ForeFlight. So once you delete it, it's gone. And for many pilots like myself, your logbook is everything. The next feature is going to take us back to the logbook. ForeFlight has added the ability to search the logbook by date. To do this, we will go to the More tab located in the bottom right-hand corner, click on Logbook, and from here at the top right, click on the Filter search box. From here, you can search with any of the following date formats. Personally, I prefer to just type in the year, 2023, and then for instance, I'll type in the month of April, which would be 04. This then shows me all my flights for April. If I want to get a little more detailed, I'll type in the day, 08, and it shows me my exact flights for April 8th, 2023. This is a very helpful feature and gives me one more reason to use the ForeFlight logbook. The next new feature in this update is more detailed operating hours for more airports globally, including time zones and customer marks. To view this, go to the Airport tab in the bottom left corner. From here, go up to the search bar, and for this example, I'll be looking at Corona, which has an airport identifier of Alpha Juliet Oscar. From here, click on the Info tab and scroll down to Operating Hours. Click on Airport, and from here, you can see the airport operates 365 days a year and is attended Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is the time zone the airport is located in. This is a very helpful new feature and saves us from having to dive into the chart supplement, but it's always a good idea to review the chart supplement and not just rely on the ForeFlight features. A smaller but great update in this version of ForeFlight is the added support for VFR waypoints in Canada and South Africa. We've gone over the topic in regards to flying in the United States in a previous update, so if you're interested in more details, please find the link in the description below. And finally, we have a new runway analysis support for the Learjet 36A and the Premier 1 and 1A. Unfortunately, I still don't have a Learjet or a Premier, but if you do and live in the Southern California area and would like to check out these features together, I am more than available. Thanks for watching, and I wish you blue skies.